Smart Culture, Mathematics.
This video is all about coordinates on the coordinate grid. Remember, a coordinate will always give the x value first and then the y value. We need to identify the following coordinates. What are the coordinates of A? A lines up with 4 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. Therefore, the coordinates are 4 and 2. What about B? We can see that B lines up with -3 on the x-axis and -5 on the y-axis. Therefore, the coordinates are -3 and -5. What are the coordinates for C? We would say that the coordinates are -3 and 3. Now let's try plot some coordinates. They have given us the coordinates of D, which are 0 and -4. Where would that point go? It lines up with 0 on the x-axis, the y-axis is -4, so it will go over here on the y-axis. The coordinates of E are -2 and 4. Where will that go? It lines up with -2 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis, so it will go over here. Lastly, the coordinates of F are 8 and 1. Where do you think that will go? It lines up with 8 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis, so it will go over here.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.